On Fed decision day, we've got a good jobs report. Hard to kill this economy. Coming up here on The Job. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 9/11 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is November 2nd, 2022. Here's your morning jog. Around the economic headlines of the world. Want to start off here in the U.S. Of course, it's Fed decision day. We'll see how much they hike rates. Probably like 75 basis points. But what data are they using? Well, I might use today's ADP job report. 200,000+ additional jobs added in the economy, a little bit more than expected. It just is proving to be really difficult to kill this labor market, right? Continue to be people that take jobs, wages are up 7%. You might say that, hey, that's sort of a wage price spiral. Well, if additional folks are getting jobs, and quite frankly, about 10,000 boomers exit the workforce every day, about 8,500 Gen Zers, Zoomers come into the workforce. If you're having that much month-on-month increase, what does it mean? It means people are coming out of unemployment or coming out of the non-working population. They're contributing to the economy. That's actually a pretty robust and good thing for the economy. And, if that requires higher or what we call normalized interest rates here in the U.S., well, that's just tough. That's sort of the cards that we have to play. And quite frankly, although we are looking, and we say this almost every day, for a recession in Europe, looks like U.S. the economy is still pretty good. Wells Fargo might not be contributing to those jobs on a go-forward basis. They have 18,000 loans in their origination pipeline for mortgages. That is not many for one of the largest banks in the U.S. and certainly one of the largest mortgage lenders. It's about 90% less than they had this time last year when the post-COVID housing boom was upon us. Listen, folks just need to get used to higher mortgage rates. 7%, 8% on a go-forward basis. Eventually, you know what's going to happen? Folks are going to have kids. They're going to say, hey, listen, we need more space. I don't care what it costs, 7 or 8%. We'll figure it out. We'll cut back in other areas. And at that point, we'll see mortgage origination come back. It's just a recent price fallacy. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Wednesday, I want to just comment on a story that we did, maybe a week ago. The Ukraine grain export deal, which we said, hey, if this stays off for a long time because Russia's not playing ball, that could really cause famine in places like the Middle East, could cause uprisings, that sort of thing. It's back on. So that is good news for everybody. The world economy relies on grain from Ukraine and from Russia, from the Black Sea, to eat. If you don't eat, you don't have much of an economy. So good on them for being back, being bros to the rest of the world, and making sure folks can eat. Good job, guys. Want some additional info throughout the rest of the week? Feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Till then, you, your family, hope you have a really good rest of your Wednesday. I'm out.